Hello everyone, and welcome back to A Factory World ke-13. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes at the PO Haryanto Bus in Indonesia. In this video, we'll follow bus 009. Zula as it returns to the garage after completing another long-distance journey. For main passengers, the trip ends when they step off the bus. But for the bus itself, another important routine is just beginning. Every cab that returns to the garage goes through a careful process before it is ready for its next departure. As bus 009 Zula slowly enters the garage, you can already see the maintenance team preparing for their daily work. This is where professional inspections, cleaning, and the routine servicing take place to keep the fleet operating safely and efficiently. PO Haryanto is well known among bus enthusiasts in Indonesia for its modern fleet and the attention to maintenance. Behind every successful journey is a dedicated team working hard to make sure each cab stays in excellent condition. During this garage visit, you'll see mechanics inspecting different parts of the bus, checking the tires, brakes, lights, engine compartment, and the other important systems. These routine inspections help ensure that every trip is completed safely and comfortably. You'll also see the cleaning team preparing the bus for its next passengers, from washing the exterior to cleaning the interior. Every detail matters before the next departure. If you enjoy buses, transportation, and the behind-the-scenes garage activities, you're in the right place. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this exclusive look inside PO Haryanto Garage as bus 009. Zula returns home after another successful journey. Let's begin! Thank you so much for joining us on this behind the scenes visit to the PO Haryanto Bus. We hope you enjoyed watching. Bus 009 Zula return to the garage and seeing the important work that takes place after every journey. These daily routines help keep buses safe, clean, and ready for their next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to Factory World 13 for more Indonesian bus journeys, garage tours, and transportation stories from across the country. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next adventure. Safe travels, and have a wonderful day.